dishwasher making some funky noises, maybe you need a new dishwasher pump. So first, you need to turn off the water and electricity. Electricity off. Those off.
Are you filming?
Yep. Yep. Okay, so now we need to wipe off the water because there is a lot of water. It's kind of making a stream in my house. But I'm wiping this all up.
Come on, Woody. Hey-o. Hey-o. 3 screws, got him.
Disconnect the electrical wires.
Oops, that's the whole pump because we unscrewed it. It's okay.
Yeah.
Here, now take this off.
This is the beating heart of the dishwasher. We need to slide the dishwasher in there. There we go. Now put the kit. Now close it up. It works pretty good. Dishwasher fixed.